Well. Not a day to be sad, not a day that's going to be bad. Today is the day we're going to be leaving this amazing place, and this place name is Deep Jungle Home. So I've been staying here for past 2 days, yeah, for 2 videos, and this place really amazing. Just, you know what? I'll show you guys. Can you hear the sound? That's the sound of the ducks. They're feeding it. Alright. Anyway, first, as soon as you enter, you've got a swing and you've got ropes, like an army training or something. But I don't know if it's for us, for humans, or monkeys, or maybe we can just use it unless we fall down. And then they've got goats. Wait, they've got Messi? Look right here. Ronaldo, Messi, Ronaldo. I never knew they had Ronaldo and Messi here. Hello. Alright, and then they've got loads of cages. And they've got chickens. Look how cute they are. Hello. I mean, the location is amazing. There's greenery all around, and you're deep inside the forest. It sounds right. The name sounds right. Deep Jungle. Hello. Bye bye. Bruh. What do you do? Hello. Say hi. He just spit at me for leaving. Sorry, bro. Bye. Alright, now we'll walk into the resort. So, I'll just shift the camera. The entrance, this is the reception, this is the parking. And then as you walk, you've got the turkeys, you've got birds. They really are maintaining this place really right. But of course, the bird is scared. Look at him. Hello. Alright, calm down. Calm down. Whoa. Territorial birds, eh? Alright. So this entrance, this is where the people stay. And then there's monkeys too. There's ducks or geese. Here, right here, the feeding time. Wait. Look. How they're getting fed, eating nicely. Look at how fast they're eating. You know what? Nah. I guess they feel safe around because they would have run by now. Yeah. Wow. Oh, the big turkey. Can you guys see it? Whoa. And here they've got a pond. And then the turkeys are running around. It makes you forget that cities even exist. It's an amazing place to stay with friends, family, spend some time. But you guys have to be careful, because as long as you don't disturb them, they don't disturb you. You do something wrong, they'll show you. And we've got an area for playing. We've got a basketball. They also had badminton. We were playing for some time. And then there's a swing. Uh-oh. Oh. Yep. Oh. And more than that, guess what? We've got 2 dogs. He is a Rajapali. I mean, everyone's scared of him because he's too big, but he's a gentle heart man. We played with him in the morning. Hi. He's got his heart. I love dogs. Hello. He's a hunter dog. And then there's one more too. Man, I'm in love with this place. Bye bye. It's so cold. It's not like it's hot or sweaty or sultry. They've got swings, they've got slides, they've got literally everything for a small vacation. Or even you can come for a month and stay as long as you like it. There's a slide, there's a water tank, there's a swings, and there's so many tree houses. In this house, they told only 2 people can stay, while in these, I guess it's like a tent. They've got different names. I'll send you a link in the website or anything. I'll just make sure you guys can check this place out. It's really, really amazing. As far as me, I like it. It's amazing. Well, this is a tree house, but we're not staying here. I showed you in the last video where we're staying, and this is what you can see from their balcony. And this is a Swiss house or Swiss tent. It looks like an army house or where they stay for camps. And this is, imagine if you take a boat and you just take it and go here, you'll feel like Bear Grylls or just you're straight out of National Geography. But I'm wearing sandals or what is it called, flip-flops right now. But it's better if you wear shoes because you don't want any insects from any of these. They can come literally anywhere. So you don't want, unless you want to get attacked. And listen to this sound. Many might get scared of just listening to these sounds, but I mean, come on. Be one with nature. Or be safe. Of course, you have to be safe. Alright. I'll show you the room. Show you how the room is. I didn't show it to you fully. So it's basically a tree house. It's amazing. And it's a pretty amazing place. I don't know how many acres or anything it is, but it's huge. It's amazing. I'll just open the door. We got the key. So this is the room. There are 2 rooms on this tree house. You got a calling bell, light switches, and yeah, and we are in. I'll just close it. Pro tip number 1: always keep the doors closed because there's monkeys all around. Or if you're fine with your things being taken away by the monkeys, very good. And so this is the bathroom. Yeah. It's here. Oh, hi. And they've got switches. They've got water. Of course, and they've got a wash basin. And they've got a seat. And don't get scared when you open the water because there'll be a motor sound, like the same sound. And it's to make the water come up the tree house. It's against gravity. You guys know this, of course. And so I've got 2 beds. Here the beds. The beds are super comfortable, and the blankets super amazing. The room looks lit, and they've got a cupboard right here. You can keep whatever you want, and there's a wooden table and chargers, mosquito repellents. And this is where we saw the monkeys the other day. They come around here. Oh wait, I'll try to open this. Oh god. God, I'm struggling to open a door. Oh. Welcome to paradise. They've got 2 seats. I mean, there was 4, but we kept 2 outside. And then this is the view you get outside the balcony. So that's this amazing room. So yeah, this amazing room, and I'll be leaving this today. Amazing!